All right, we're here working on 1963 Alcort Sunfish chip. Getting ready to put some primer on the inside of the cockpit area while the bottom's still off, using our TotalBoat topside primer. Uh, Primer puts on a thick coat and it's easy to sand, so there's a lot of additive, a lot of filler material added to the liquid. So this is a trick Louis taught us, is pour off a little bit of the liquid on the top and then get a big stick to go in there and kind of mash that, move it around, just press down, just gives you a chance to work that filler and get it all mixed up. Sometimes your local paint store will take the can in. If they're nice, they can mix it for you. Tell them or shake it. Tell them to shake it 3 or 4 times, and then bring it home, and you'll probably end up working it a little more like this. Just, when you push the stick down to the bottom of the can, you should feel the bottom of the can and not a pile of sludge like that. But that material's there so you get a nice thick uniform coat on, and then it's also doesn't dry as hard as regular paint, so you can sand it and get everything smooth. So what we did is, while the bottom was off, is we sanded the inside of the cockpit walls, because once we get the bottom on, we'd have to reach up and under and in to try to get back inside all of these areas. So we don't want to do that. So we start off with a darker gray. I'm not sure if this is going to be white or dark blue, or thinking maybe a light gray, something that if you were to look inside there, lost something, you might be able to see it. But everything else is getting ready to go. We've got this strip in the middle here, the centering strip added, so we can get the bottom panels fit. And so what we're going to do with that is put the panels on and take a little pencil, scribe along the edge, and take down any high spots with a little hand plane or maybe sander. There's panels there. Zips kind enough to hold them tonight, and our centering strips. And we'll be putting that first coat of primer on, then we have the night to decide what color the inside of the cockpit's going to be. Hope you all are having a great one. We'll check back with you soon.